Today is the next day. What did I do yesterday? I think I went to get matcha. Went to get matcha with a friend. It was really good. I'm gonna have to go back for sure, going back. But today, another design day. We're actually almost finished with this project. Our living room furniture is coming from the warehouse because we bought it directly from the warehouse, and it's been taking months. So eventually that should be here within the next few weeks. But today we really need to like hone in on the bedspread. I need to get some more accent pillows. I need another lamp. I need to hang art. And I think that's it for that property. And then I have a party that I'm planning. It's gonna be a birthday party. It's gonna be very, well, I'm not really sure like the colors and the theme and everything like that, but I do know the person wants something neutral, classy, and just, I guess, aesthetically pleasing. So yes, that's the day-to-day. We're gonna see that space where the party's gonna be and then do some shopping, and then hopefully I can come back and hang some art. This morning I was able to get a workout, and I'm actually doing like a 4-month workout challenge because I need to get it together. I need to get back in the gym. So I've been doing my treadmill in the morning. I've been doing wall squats. I've been doing regular squats, crunches, and push-ups. Kind of builds upon the previous exercise, and it gets more intense and more intense. I also have to find my ankle weights because I just like having that extra weight because I don't have dumbbells yet. So right now I'm making breakfast. We're gonna do something, lots of protein, just some boiled eggs, probably some fruit, and I gotta find something else to add with that. Maybe some wheat toast or something like that. So yes, I'm actually late and I need to go. So I just arrived at the place that we're gonna have the party to get a layout, to see like where the tables and the chairs and the decorations would go and how everything will like flow. We're probably gonna need to rent some stuff. We're probably gonna need some lights. Yeah. That's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna do that really quick because one of my favorite vintage stores is closing at 7, and I want to see if I can get there just to see if they have any art, because I still need some art. So this is a huge space, like huge. So the thing about such a big space is you have to figure out where everything is gonna go. I took a bunch of photos so that way I can make like an AI mock-up to see like what's gonna be the best layout. How are we gonna organize things? I really do like the rustic feel. Hello, it is dark. As you can see, it is night. I spent the rest of my evening on the road shopping after the vintage store, which I think we found some glasses and dishes. I think that was it. And then we went to HomeSense. We found this rug for the living room. I'll show you guys that when we get inside, and we got a couple of other things here and there. Yeah, it's late. I'm exhausted. It's like 9:28. I haven't had dinner and I need to get home and watch Love Island. So I'm going to bring these things in the apartment as fast as humanly possible and then get a move on. I was supposed to hang artwork today. That's not happening. So there is the lamp that we picked up today. I love it. I feel like the textured shade matches our textured shade over there, and it's like a nice natural color. It kind of matches the curtains. And here is our rug. Love it. Sizes. We are back in the space today. We're going to be doing some hanging, some moving around, some bits and bops. We went to the store earlier. I decided not to vlog because I feel like you guys just watch me shop, and I'm just not liking what that's giving. Also, don't mind my hair. Humidity is on 100. I promise you it was cute a few hours ago. So right now, you would have seen me, I put this really nice blue blanket on that gray couch, and we added those mustard pillows for a pop of color. This room clearly is not complete. We're still waiting for the coffee table and the side table, which is gonna bring everything together beautifully. So, hanging art tip. The art should be 6 inches from whatever's underneath it. And then of course these are not centered, so don't mind that. They're gonna line up with this one, but the art is 6 inches from the furniture, and then this is the center of the wall. And then you measure the piece, so the mirror is from the bottom tape to the top tape, and then the screw, because it's one of those ones that are in the halfway point instead of at the top, you measure the distance there, and then your nail is gonna be this one. So let's test it out, because that's my first time doing that. All right, so there is the final mirror on the wall. So we got these really cute swivel chairs. I feel like it's definitely giving a city vibe. They're like this leather material. They're super deep and comfortable, and I think they're gonna love it. Oh my god. All right, we just finished the Love Island season 6 season finale. Oh my god, my girl Amaya won. Congratulations. I literally spoiled it for myself because I was on TikTok and everybody was like talking about the season and who's still together and all this hubbub. So I kind of knew she was already gonna win, but I still wanted to watch the dates. Going to head to bed. First, I want to upload my clips on my computer and finish a previous vlog because I've really been slacking with my consistency. But yeah, tomorrow's another busy day, so I will see you guys tomorrow morning.